What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to discussing how to start selling on eBay. There are people saying that's too hard to start selling on it, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make over $7,000 per month. So if you find any value in the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. So as we all know, there are certain things that you should know when you start selling on eBay so that you have a great chance of seeing success on eBay. So one of the most important things that I teach on this channel is try to not sell a bunch of random products. You need to build a brand on eBay. Try to center your store around a specific category or niche. What you should do if you are looking to sell within the big category, for example, is to make sure that word pet, cat or dog is mentioned somewhere within your eBay store name. Your eBay username. Also make sure that your store is branded in terms of logo. This way any customer that's coming along to your store is more likely to buy from you. And also make sure that your listing template is branded, and it's always good to send to your store around a specific niche. So try to send to your store around whatever products you are looking to sell. I just want to show you a quick example of, so I have just gone to ebay.com UK and searched for dog harness and find a store that meets my criteria of what I'm talking about. So straight away, if we look at the company name, we can see that the company name here, so any customer that clicks on their store is going to know exactly what they sell. They have got the word pet within their company name, they have got their logo at the top. So if you are looking for any product for your pet, this is the company that you need to buy from. They have stock everything your pet deserves. They have got images of cats, rabbits, all types of animals, reptile, fish, dogs. So this is the place that I will come to if I'm looking for something for my cat or for my pet. So you know now there is a lot of customers out there looking for high quality products. I hope that kind of makes sense to you, so you are more likely to see success for this particular category. Alright, so moving on to the next point, sell through rate. One of the most important things that you need to be aware of. It shows you how likely you are right. It shows you how likely you are to make a sale if you are trying to sell any products on eBay. So if we type use your goods, and as you know we select all the date ranks, you look at the sell through rate. So if the sell rate is, for example, 100, that means that if you sell this product using that particular keyword, and if the product is only 10, you have got 100 chance of selling that product, and that 10 of the sellers that listed. And this is why I always talk about the sell through rate. This particular product were successful in selling the product, whereas the other 90 were not successful in the selling it. So it's important to look at it. You'll be successful with that particular product if it's closer to 100. This is why I believe selling on eBay. So for my own products, I got sales through rate is between ideally 70 to 100. When it comes to me doing my product research, I will still import that product if it's only at 50 and got the skills to sell a particular product and sell myself on my own store. So when it comes to selling on eBay, these are the small things that you need to look at. So make sure you do all the product research, all the checks is competitive. You need to make sure that you will be able to sell that product. You will still be able to see success within that product. It doesn't matter how competitive that product is. So if there are 10,000 sellers selling a particular product, it doesn't mean that there is not a million active customers looking for that particular product. You need to build that in your mind. Hope that makes sense. Another common question, if the sellers on eBay are selling any products for a lot cheaper, any particular product, when they go to Alibaba website to check for a particular product, they find the price are too high. What I will say to this is that don't just go by the price on Alibaba suppliers. You are going to reduce the price that you see on the website when it comes time for you to contact the sellers 5 times out. So always contact them first. Show them that you are interested in selling the product. See if you can get it cheaper, because the price is listed as certain price on Alibaba's website. They are likely to reduce the price for you, and you need to be aware of another thing, your feedback. Try to make sure your feedback is as high as possible and try to not accumulate any negative feedbacks. So you need to make sure you are selling high quality items and customers are very happy with that quality. The more you reduce your negative feedbacks and build up positive feedback, you will make more sales on eBay. This is very important for you to have long-term success on eBay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.